Ranger again. Out here cruising the neighborhood trails. This out I found the other day. You seen one of those before?
A hog trap or a fucking
probably coyotes, what I'm guessing.
yeah, it's gonna be a fall or whatever.
What's that?
It's gonna be a fall or whatever, a hog trap,
Yeah. I've never seen one by the city before.
Not out here.
Pretty crazy. Property of Saginaw.
Oh, the city. Oh,
Yeah, that's like the city owns that. That's why I've seen traps, just never one that big for the city.
oh.
I'm guessing probably coyotes or fucking, I don't know, cougar or something.
What you would think with all this land, I bet you.
It's probably coyotes, but crazy though. Like we live in the suburbs, like Dallas-Fort Worth suburbs. Like I'm not out in the country or nothing. We'll go into this little creek here. Nothing fancy. Ooh, let's see how deep it gets. To go just into water. I don't know how deep this gets. Pretty cool to have right by the house. I'll let DJ drive that through the creek. It's not even a creek. I don't know what else you would call that though. should. The fan comes on at 194, should go off at 204, but I think that fan is probably on the way out soon. As long as it doesn't start flashing hot, like 215 plus, like, should be alright. Pull up right here so I can take a fucking nice picture with my shit. Since I've never had them together.
Oh, really?
No idea how deep this goes. I don't want to fall in this motherfucker either. Well, I'm not anywhere close to the center, but a couple feet. I'm sure my Ranger would be okay going in that motherfucker. We'll have to come back out here with waders on and have us a little test area. Pretty good though. Where'd you go across? Maybe this is a bad idea. Watch this be fucking instant quicksand or some shit. Oh, you got that. rock back here. Fucking mesquite trees, man. No joke.
Oh yeah.
Right here, look at that. Look at that fucking thing. That is no joke right there. Getting slapped in the face with one of those sucks. They're all over back here too.
What's that ass though? You're afraid of skateboard.
Yeah, I mean, they're not very big. One back there is. All these are all. Look at this, somebody dumped their whole fucking garage back here. Carport, whatever it is. See the garage door springs. All that sheet metal's good too.
Huh. All those black pods, that's all track light?
Yeah.
8-foot fixture? Wow.
Seems pretty usable shit. I don't know why anybody would do that. Oh well, some people's kids. So my steering was sloppy as fuck. And it still kind of is, but not as bad. And this might be known, I don't know how well known it is. But this is my second or third steering rack. And there is a nut on the back of this. This is like a huge Allen key, but this is a Super ATV one. Like the factory one has a nut. Inside there is a Teflon, what do you call it, bushing? Teflon bushing, you think?
Yeah.
Teflon bushing. And I had an old one laying around, so we took it apart. And took that nut off, stuck some washers in there, tightened it back up, and it tightened that other one up. And then it came over here to this one that's still on my bike, obviously. And we just tightened up that nut. I wish you could see it. I don't know if you can see that. Man, there's like it's a huge Allen key, like a bigger than 7/8. I had to use a bolt head to get it to tighten up. But it tightened it up, and it tightened up my steering pretty good. Still not perfect, but it used to be just sloppy as hell, and that definitely helps. So if you got sloppy steering, try that before you buy a new one. It's gonna save you some money. Anyways, thanks for watching, subscribing, all that shit. I'll see you guys next time. This is slowly going to be up and running, and I'll do as many how-to videos as I can on it.